Yeah, I think that especially with the big push to electrification and heat pumps of all kinds, that we're seeing more and more of those installation. There's going to be a shift in the industry to a need to commission everything
Mhm.
to make sure that things run right, because not installing a, a system right the first time and not making sure that it works after it's been running can create all kinds of really costly issues that are going to really hit in contractors in the pocketbook as callbacks and also probably OEMs with issues with warranties and stuff. So I think that overall, just the idea of commissioning is going to become a new thing. And like Jeff said, I think that homeowners are going to start to think of that as a necessary component.
Mhm.
Like,
I agree.
I paid good money for this, and how do I know that it works?
Yeah.
Because I think a lot of them think that's what the service agreement is, that you're going to
Mhm.
come in every year and make sure that it's running correctly and make sure that any adjustments or fixes must be made. But yeah, I think it's already in their mind.
Mhm. One indicator of that, I think it's the consumer products that are there. They're out there now, integrated with thermostats. I'm hearing a lot of complaints about them
Mhm.
because you're going to find that they're not going to agree with a calibrated professional grade monitor. But homeowners are, whether they're accurate or not, they're there. And it is starting to work its way into our products. And it's exciting. And they'll get better slowly and surely. They'll get better. They'll improve to where we can rely on them more. But right now, it's a messy period with a lot of the consumer sensors, but I feel like they're slowly having effect, at least with the early adopters and the
Mhm.
pioneers are
Mhm.
grabbing these things and they're measuring VOCs and CO2 and they're helping customers be aware of this stuff. And I think that's what is really going to drive commissioning. ASHRAE is apparently moving toward a health-based ventilation standard. That's exciting. I can't wait to see what that looks like, but
Mhm.
I think the market rate consumers are going to push that as well. That's once they realize it, they want it, don't they, Mark? Once you educate someone a little bit, you were saying
Mhm.
earlier, once they see a flash report,